So a standards organization company like ASME, I think, would benefit greatly in the utility marketplace. On the aircraft side, we see a lot of different platforms, a lot of different equipment, and there is no standardization in the sub 55-pound weight category aircraft.
It's hard to predict exactly, how to use this technology, what's its capabilities, but we all know that, analyzing large data sets and trying to find trends is going to make our lives, I guess, or make our understanding of systems easier or better.
So standardization there could mean, radio link, batteries, navigation equipment, lights, colors, things like that. We have a lot of different customers, a lot of different utility companies that all have very different types of inspections they do. If there was a standard for electric line inspection, then there'd be no questions, right? We build our aircraft to standard, we do the inspection to standard, and it's safer and more efficient for everybody. That could mean redundant equipment on the aircraft, power, propulsion, data links, navigation equipment. If that standard were to exist, the security and the safety would be there as well.
Things are evolving, and I think we'll see more and more of this new technologies coming up. Autonomous AUV vehicles also could one day be mounted with such tools where you can carry these tools and you can run those inspections, almost without any human intervention.
The very, very distant future, it may be very well deploying multiple robots at the same time and them operating in a swarm type mentality where one robot knows what the others are doing, and if one were to stop working or have a problem, that the other robots would pick it up.
You'll see a lot of advancement in longer flight time, broader use cases where aircraft are taking people from point A to point B, or carrying a package, or medical supplies, and things like that.
You combine the platforms with sensors with the analytics, and I believe those things become exponential in the very near future. So I think within the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to see a completely different way of doing business than you do now.